angels or darker spirits sitting in the four corners? This question was raised by Magick Power in the comment section of our pentagram tutorial video. While the pentagram technically has 5 corners, I believe the question refers to the 4 cardinal points in a ritual and the corresponding elements, angels and holy beings associated with them. Allow me to explain. In the east, next to the holy man, we find the presence of the Archangel Rafael, representing the element of air. Rafael, meaning God's healer, is assigned to the Sefirah Tiferet, which encompasses beauty and splendor. For more information about Tiferet, please watch the linked video in the description. In the south is the Holy Lion, Archangel Michael and the element fire. Michael also means who is like God, and is assigned to the Sefirah Hod. The south is about strength, power and courage. To the west, we encounter the Holy Eagle, and the presence of the Archangel Gabriel, representing the element of water. Gabriel, meaning Mighty One of God, is assigned to the Sefirah Hod, which includes the concept of foundation and basis. In the north, the Holy Bull, Archangel Uriel, and the element Earth. Uriel also means fire or light of God and is assigned to the Sefirah Malchut. Sefirah contains everything that is on the material plane and has manifested. Please note that these assignments are specific to the ritual context and may differ in other systems, such as Tarot. Regarding the 4 holy beings, human, lion, eagle and bull, we will create an additional video to explore these aspects further. You are also welcome to watch our videos on the 4 Sefirot mentioned, Malchut, Yesod, Gevurah and Tiferet, as well as the video titled Inventory of a Temple for more background information. We hope this answers your question. Please let us know in the comments if we were able to assist you. The next question from one of our viewers pertains to invocations and correspondences, which aligns well with the previous inquiries. Which elements correspond with the cardinal points, and which holy one is called or should be thought of? Is it one's own higher self, or the creator? Sorry. As mentioned before, many aspects can be assigned to the cardinal points, reflecting their qualities. The entities or forces invoked depend on the specific magical work you intend to undertake. Additionally, it is possible to communicate directly with your own higher self. The higher self represents your true self, which has existed throughout all your earthly incarnations, and is sometimes referred to as the divine spark within us. However, please be aware that the higher self should not be confused with the creator. In Hebrew, the higher self is also known as Neshama. Exploring this concept in detail would exceed the scope of this video, but we have provided a link in the description to a video that delves deeper into the topic. You can also use the info card to access the video now. Our next viewer posted a related question about Kabbalistic correspondences. How is it possible that the Sefirot are different from the Chakras? Isn't Keter simply a Jewish term for the crown chakra? After all, Keter means crown. We received this thought-provoking question in the comment section of our guided meditation for everyday Sefirot meditation video on the English channel. Firstly, allow me to address the second part of the question. While it is true that Keter can be compared to the crown chakra, it is worth noting that we write it as K-E-T-E-R to transliterate the Hebrew term as accurately as possible. Now, let's briefly discuss the difference between the Sefirot and the Chakras. Keter, as well as all the Sefirot on the middle pillar of the Tree of Life, including Dat, can be utilized as energy centers in meditation or during exercises, involving the middle pillar. In terms of location, there are similarities to the Chakras. However, the Tree of Life encompasses additional spiritual principles represented by the Sefirot on the 2 outer pillars. These principles can also be incorporated as seen in techniques like the Kabbalistic cross, well known in the Western mysteries. To comprehend this distinction, let me explain what we mean by the Sefirot. The Sefirot are spiritual principles that describe both the macrocosm, the universe, and the microcosm, the human soul. They correspond to principles present in every individual's soul or personality. For instance, Netzach and Hod embody creative and analytical thinking, respectively. The Tree of Life serves as a comprehensive symbol system fundamental to all spiritual matters between heaven and earth and beyond. It forms the basis of our spiritual work in the Western mystery tradition. Consequently, we primarily utilize the Sefirot because they encompass all that is essential for our spiritual development. Moreover, the main difference from Chakras lies in their application. The Sefirot are not directly associated with specific endocrine centers in the body or activated through specific breathing techniques. Instead, we work with the Sefirot on the astral plane using sound, colors, and imagination. Thus, their use is more indirect and astral in nature, making it safer for individuals in the Western Hemisphere. While breathing plays a role in many techniques and there are certain physical approaches, we do not directly affect the nervous system. In the Eastern spiritual context, individuals often withdraw from everyday life and engage in spiritual practices under the guidance of a teacher. The effects of intensive breathing techniques and nervous system manipulation occur within a safe environment and under the teacher's supervision. In the Western mysteries, it is customary to ground oneself after spiritual work to handle the demands of daily life effectively. In summary, our work mainly revolves around the mental and astral aura, whereas the Eastern techniques directly engage the etheric aura and influence the body. Both approaches hold their value but have evolved under different conditions and perspectives. We hope this clarifies the different approaches. For more information, you can refer to the etheric plane video linked in the description.